So green, flowers bloom, happy scene. We plant seeds in the soft warm ground. Baby lambs go hopping all around. Rain falls down, splashing in the mud. Sprouts pop up, growing with a bud. 4 seasons round the farm we go, singing loud, watch the farmyard grow. Springs for seeds, summer sunny and fun. Falls for picking, winter's cozy when done. Hey, 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 we love the farm each day, about the seasons in a farmyard way. Summer's hot, the sun shines so bright. Corn grows tall, reaching for the light. Cows munch grass, chickens work in the heat. We pick berries, oh they're super sweet. Tractors loud, zooming through the rows. Fireflies sparkle when the evening glows. 4 seasons round the farm we go, singing loud, watch the farmyard grow. Springs for seeds, summer sunny and fun. Falls for picking, winter's cozy when done. Hey, 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 we love the farm each day, singing about the seasons in a farmyard way. Fall so cool, leaves turn red and gold. Pumpkins grow big and round and bold. We pick apples, munch 'em with a grin. Corn makes fun, let's go running in. Stack the hay, barns full to the top. Harvest time, we're dancing without stop. Winter's here, snowflakes turn fall. We feed the animals, keep them warm in the stall. Snuggle in the barn with a blanket so tight. Dream of springtime under stars so bright. Every season's fun, every season's new. Farms are home.